your foot on the brake. Correct. Oh my goodness, what a brand new car! You have just won a 2020 Hyundai Venue. Congratulations, Olivia Wingro. You're the winner of the 2020 Hyundai Hands-on Hope Contest. Outstanding.
My name is Carter Gates. In 2013, I was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. This is a type of pediatric cancer in the blood. My journey lasted through 3.5 years of treatment. I'd just like to thank all of our contestants for being here and putting 50 hours of their time into this wonderful cause. Just think about that. 50 hours on a car, that's a long time. So big round of applause for them, everybody.
The National Cancer Institute only devotes about 3 to 4% of their budget to pediatric cancer. And that's where partners like Hyundai and the Hyundai Hope on Wheels program are critical to the success in moving the field forward.
Well, we took that chemical and we turned it into a drug. And that drug today is now moving through clinical trials. So I'm proud to tell you that that drug has kept a patient with Ewing sarcoma in complete remission for over 9 months now that would have otherwise been dead of his disease after relapsing 4 times. And it all started with support like this.
But the Washington area Hyundai dealers wanted to change things up a bit, and we wanted to add some hope to that contest, our hope to end pediatric cancer. $100,000 in pediatric cancer research grants that will be given away today by the Washington area Hyundai dealers. Thank you. $60,000 in a pediatric cancer research grant to Georgetown Lombardi. $40,000 pediatric cancer research grant to Children's National.
I entered the contest because I really have a passion for advocating for those experiencing pediatric cancers. It's an extremely underfunded part of cancer research, and so I wanted to spread the word that it's really important that we invest in our kids and their future. I was able to advocate for pediatric cancer research through social media. I tweeted at a bunch of celebrities, posted on my Instagram story. $60,000 going to Georgetown Lombardi Pediatric Cancer Research. Children's National is going to be able to take $40,000 home, and they're going to be able to do a lot of groundbreaking things as well. They're a wonderful hospital, and together we can help work on the battle of curing pediatric cancers.
What are you going to do with this brand new car?
I'm going to drive it around and make sure that people know the amazing thing that Hyundai does, because this is really a passionate cause that really is near and dear to my heart. So thank you so much.
Olivia, thank you. You're a wonderful advocate for pediatric cancer research. Thank you all for coming out to the 2020 Hands-on Hope Contest. Be a part of the solution, create awareness, and let's end